Hey food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're taking a trip to the streets of Mexico with a twist on a classic favorite, ChickenAlPastor. Get ready for tender, marinated chicken, sweet grilled pineapple, and those mouth-watering taco vibes that will have your taste buds dancing. 1. Prepare the marinade. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the guajillo and ancho chiles and simmer for about 5 minutes until softened. Remove from heat and let them cool slightly. Transfer the softened chiles to a blender. Add the chipotle chile, garlic, roughly chopped onion, apple cider vinegar, achiote paste, cumin, oregano, smoked paprika, cloves, olive oil, honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Blend until smooth. Add a little water if needed to achieve a thick but pourable consistency. 2. Marinate the chicken. Place the chicken thighs in a large resealable plastic bag or a shallow dish. Pour the marinade over the chicken, making sure each piece is well coated. Seal the bag or cover the dish and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or overnight for the best flavor. 3. Grill the pineapple. While the chicken marinates, heat a grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Grill the pineapple rings for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are slightly charred and caramelized. Set aside. 4. Cook the chicken. Preheat your grill or stovetop grill pan to medium heat. Remove the chicken from the marinade, allowing any excess to drip off. Grill the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes on each side or until fully cooked and slightly charred. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. While grilling, brush some extra marinade over the chicken occasionally for added flavor. 5th serve. Slice the grilled chicken into thin strips. To assemble, layer the chicken on warm corn tortillas, top with the grilled pineapple rings, finely chopped onion, and fresh cilantro. Serve with lime wedges on the side for squeezing over the tacos. You can also add your favorite salsa or hot sauce for an extra kick. So if you're enjoying this, don't forget to like, maybe subscribe for more.